Hello smart people, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show to you the way how to recover the picture that you delete or misdeleted. So first we have to do is just open the photo library and let's try to delete the picture first. So we just need to pick the picture and delete it by go click this tools and confirm that you want to delete the picture. And after that we need to go back. How the way to find them, you just need to go click this album if you are here until you got this option, and you just need to like scrolling down until you found these utilities. And in this utilities there will be like 4 options. There will be an imports, duplicates, hidden, and recently deleted. If you want to find the recently deleted photo, you just need to go click here. Make sure that your face is facing your phone camera to access the key, and after that you just need to pick the picture that you want to recover. So let's recover this one. So you just need to go click to open it and go click recover and confirm that you want to recover the photo. The next thing we need to do is just go back into the photo albums, scrolling up, go into the recents, and your photo is already back. That is the way how to recover your photo in an iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next video.